think it's a Dostoevsky quote. He said, "Perhaps it's beauty that will save the earth."
We are creatures here just like all the others. We didn't create them, and we have no right to destroy them. We're losing species today at 1,000 times the rate that species do normally go extinct. We are killing off the rest of the creation.
The thing that's at the heart of our daily lives is the abundance of cheap fossil fuel. That's what's made us rich. The problem is that same fossil fuel is now killing us.
Climate change is no longer just a consequence of the Industrial Revolution. It is a crime against humanity.
I just feel it's unfair that people in the global south has to make all these adaptations when the cause of the problem, the root problem, is in the north.
Nós sabemos que os culpados pelo que hoje está acontecendo no mundo não são os pobres, não são os pequenos agricultores, mas é essa sede capitalista pelo lucro e pelo consumo que está destruindo esse mundo.
And the terrible thing about the capitalist mentality is it can't be satisfied. The everlasting competition, the everlasting search for profit is going to pull with it nature, our true foundation, our true being.
Money rules is probably the most simple way to explain it. Money becomes the means through which everything is evaluated.
Mother Earth is crying out for help. We are killing her so people can make a profit.
There is movement building around the world, and what you're seeing is that the movements are connecting. So the environmental movement is connecting to the sustainable food justice movement. The food justice movement is connecting to the women's movement. The women's movement is connecting to the LGBTQ movement. So we just simply cannot look at these problems in silos.
How painful it is, and how many of us survive, and how much of nature survives, all of that depends upon what we do now.
If you want an adventure, boy, what a time to choose to be alive. Don't waste time in self-pity over darkness. Don't waste time trying to figure out better circumstances that you might like. You're born into this, and you're here to love it and to see that it goes on.